everyone, welcome back to Race Education. So in today's video, we are going to discuss some of the important assertion and reasoning type of question from our social science part. Okay, so let's discuss a question. The first question that we are going to discuss here is the assertion here given at us. The tyranny of majority is highly desirable. Okay, and the reason here it helps in making the political order more stable. Okay, so this question is from the chapter Power Sharing, which is the first chapter from our political science area. So while reading this particular assertion, like tyranny of majority is highly desirable. Okay, we cannot say that particular statement is true. Okay, that is not desirable thing. Okay, and reason here it is given, that is it helps in making the political order more stable. Okay, tyranny of majority, that will not make a stability throughout our country and all. So we can say that both assertion and reason are false. Okay, so the option D is the right answer for this particular question, like both assertion and reason are false. Okay, now moving on to the second question, that is, in Belgium, the leaders realized that the unity of the country is possible by respecting the feelings and interests of different countries. Okay. Reason is Belgium favored Dutch-speaking community. Okay, like there was no such favoritism like Belgium has favored this Dutch-speaking community and all. Okay, so from this we can make a statement that both assertion and reason are false. Okay, like in Belgium, the leaders realized that the unity of the country is possibly by respecting the feelings and interests of different countries. Okay, different countries, that is not mentioned in that particular area. Okay, so the first thing, that is assertion itself is wrong, and in the case of reason, that is also wrong here. Okay, so the correct option here is option D. Now moving on to the next question, that assertion here given it is, a country with a high average income can still be considered as underdeveloped. Okay, and the reason here is the average income doesn't reflect the overall well-being of people, such as their health, education and social factors. Okay, so while reading these two sentences, we can come to a conclusion that both these assertion and reason are correct. Okay, and also from this we can say that like R is, the reason is the correct explanation of A and all. Okay, like the assertion made is correct according to the reason. So the option correct here is option A. Okay, option A is the right answer for this question. Now moving on to the next question, that is assertion. Sustainable development is crucial for long-term development. Okay, sustainable development is crucial. We all know what is the importance of sustainable. Okay, like the development that is practiced by considering our future generation. So we can say that assertion means sustainable development is crucial for a long-term development, and the reason given it is, it ensures that development does not deplete resources or damage the environment for future generation. Okay, in sustainable development, we will not deplete the resources that is available. We will just keep it for our future generation also. So from this, we can say that option A is the right answer. Okay, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Option A is the right answer for this question. Now moving on to the next question, that is, forests are called the primary producers in an ecological system. Okay, and the reason given here it is, that is, forests provide oxygen and regulate temperature but not contributed to the food chain. Okay, so from this, like we can come to another conclusion, like that is option C ആണ് right answer എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ അല്ലേ. That is, A is true but R is false. We all know the contribution of forest to food chain. Forest plays an important part in the food chain. We already knows it. Okay, so from this we can say that both, like A is correct but R is false. So option C is the right answer for this question. Option C. Okay, now moving on to the next question, that is, biodiversity ensures natural sustainability for all life forms. And the reason here is, all organisms are interdependent and play a role in maintaining ecological balance. Okay, so while reading this also, like we are feeling somewhat similarity. Okay, we can look the answer. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. That is, biodiversity ensures natural sustainability of all life forms. Okay, biodiversity is ensuring, and the reason here it is, all organisms are interdependent. In our biodiversity, we already clearly knows that all the organisms are interdependent, or we are depending upon each other and play a role in maintaining our ecological balance. So from this statement we can say that both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Okay, moving on to the next question. The tricolor flag of France in Soyuz print, okay, symbolize the revolution and liberal nationalism. The tricolor became a symbol of monarchist restoration in Europe after 1815. Okay, now we can look the answer. A is true but R is false. Explanation is the tricolor flag is Soyuz print represent the revolutionary and liberal ideas, not monarchist restoration. After 1815, the tricolor was associated with the ideals of French Revolution. Okay. Now moving on to the next question, that is Gandhiji launched a nationwide satyagraha against the Rowlatt Act in 1990. The reason here is the Rowlatt Act gave the British government the power to repress political activities and detain people without any trial. Okay, so like we already know, this is the Rowlatt Act. We already had studied about Rowlatt Act, so we can look what is the right answer here. So the right answer is both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Gandhiji started the nationwide satyagraha because the Rowlatt Act was unjust. Okay, like the people were arrested without any trial and all. It gave the government huge power to suppress the political activities and also to imprison people without trial, which directly led Gandhiji to many protests and all. Okay. Moving on to the next question, that is Gandhiji believed that the British rule in India continued because Indian cooperated with it. Okay. Reason here is Gandhiji proposed non-cooperation as a method to weaken British rule and achieve Swaraj. So what will be the answer for this? We can just look. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Okay, in the Swaraj, Gandhiji clearly said British survived here only because Indians supported it. Okay, like we had indirectly cooperating to it. That is why British rule had existed in our country. He proposed that non-cooperation would weaken the British and lead to Swaraj, making the reason a correct explanation and all. Okay. Moving on to the next question, the primary sector forms the base of all other products that we subsequently make. Okay, primary sector or agriculture sector. Okay, reason here is the primary sector involves activities that directly use natural resource and provide raw materials for other sector. Connection feel answer. Yes, both assertion and reason are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Okay, the primary sector provide essential raw materials. Accordingly, this primary sector is also known as agriculture sector. Okay, we already studied that. Then the name of primary sector, what is it? Agriculture sector. Okay, and through natural resources forming the foundation for secondary sector. Always primary sector is becoming a foundation for the secondary sector, and hence the reason correctly explains why the primary sector is the base for all other products. Okay, so that's all for this area. Okay, so these are some of the important assertion and reasoning questions that can be asked for your coming midterm exams or half-yearly exams and all. I hope this video will be useful for you guys while you are studying this type of questions. Okay, so we will be uploading this kind of videos in our Race YouTube channel in the upcoming days also. So for that, you should subscribe our YouTube channel. So see you in the next class. Till then, goodbye.